Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to not hide event in Calendly. This is important so people can see and book your event according to the availability you've set. Start by logging into your Calendly account and going to the Scheduling tab. Find the event you want to make visible. At the bottom, you'll see a toggle. To make your event live, simply switch it on. When it's on, Calendly treats the event as bookable, subject to your availability rules. Here are a few tips to keep in mind. Turning the event on doesn't override your personal availability, buffer times, or date ranges. It simply ensures the event itself is visible and eligible for booking. If an event is on but still appears unavailable to someone, it may be due to your schedule settings or conflicts on connected calendars. Also, if your account has multiple event types, double-check that you toggled on the correct one. The checkbox confirms you're adjusting the right event. That's all there is to it. Log in, go to the Scheduling tab, select the event with the checkbox, and make sure the toggle at the bottom is turned on. With this setting enabled, your event will appear to invitees and can be booked according to your availability rules. And if you ever need to hide it again, just return to the same spot and switch the toggle off. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more productivity tips.